सुबह उठने के पहले काम है गाड़ी का इंजन ऑयल और पानी चेक करना। हाँ ले चल। यस, अभी पता चलेगा पानी है क्या और नहीं। पानी थोड़ा डालना चाहिए इसमें। So guys, welcome back to my new vlog. Right now we are in BIHAR actually. We came back from Nepal day for yesterday. Now we need to fill oil actually. I guess only 1 liter is enough. ये कितने का भैया? 300 का। अच्छा, एक सर्वो का है क्या?
हाँ, सब यहाँ जो भी मिलेगा सर्वो मिलेगा।
अच्छा, ये डीजल गाड़ी का है क्या?
डीजल गाड़ी का।
पक्का 2040 है क्या ये?
2040 है।
वो कितना का?
इसका भी वही पड़ेगा
300। अच्छा, वो देता हूँ। I paid 290 rupees for 1 liter oil. देखो यही है गाड़ी का इंजन ऑयल डालने की जगह। हर कंपनी को ऑयल हम डाल रहे हैं इस गाड़ी में। पता नहीं इसका इंजन कैसे होता है घर पहुंचने के बाद। भैया ठीक है, हम जा रहे हैं। हाँ हाँ, आएगा, मिलेगा। ठीक है, धन्यवाद। अभी टाइम अभी 7:30 बजे हो गया। पता नहीं बारिश हो जाएगा और नहीं हो जाएगा, लेकिन थोड़ा क्लाउडी है। So we are going to cross Koshi River now. This is one of the widest river I can say in Bihar. So because of that we won't be able to see many bridges to cross this river. I guess in Bihar only few bridges are there to cross this river. Maybe 2 or 3, that's it. Yeah. अभी तक मौसम बहुत बढ़िया है, बारिश भी नहीं है, गर्मी भी नहीं है। रास्ते में मतलब रोड में गाड़ी भी नहीं है, आराम से गाड़ी लेकर ड्राइव कर सकता है। बहुत बढ़िया लगा। कैसे क्या है मतलब मुझे समझ में नहीं आ गया। मैं पहले सोचे मस्टर्ड है, लेकिन मस्टर्ड नहीं है। कडला। अच्छा, इधर से सिलगुड़ी तक पहुंचने के लिए और 6 घंटे चाहिए, लेकिन रास्ता तो बढ़िया है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है चलाने में। My boy covered almost 17,000 kilometers now and he's perfectly alright. He's enjoying the drive actually. It's not an easy thing covering 17,000 kilometers with this vehicle. Oh my god. When I think about my journey now from where I started and where I am now, it's really amazing the experience which I got within these months. Gujarat. Gujarat is also entirely different. That white desert here for us, that was something different. And Rajasthan. Rajasthan is entirely different if you compare with any other states. And Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, I don't want to explain that. And Punjab is all about agriculture, that's what I can say. Everywhere you go, we can see rice fields. I don't know, even I'm liking BIHAR also. Maybe because of the villages. The way they make their homes, and in front of the home they keep some huts actually. Being an Indian, I can't do that. It's really one of the biggest tasks I can say. Driving in BIHAR, especially in cities. We stopped our vehicle. Now it's time for making breakfast. Within 2 hours we covered almost 90 kilometers. It's very difficult to find a place here, and if we get a place also, we have to be very careful whether that place is clean or not. Because I told you, right, there is something here. Because there is something, guys, there is something. We had to be very careful with shit actually. So we can't take our vehicle inside villages and for cooking. So it's better to stay nearby roadside, so it will be clean and we can have the food aram se from here. Dekho. Today also we are making upma because it is easy to make. That's why. He already had his breakfast. Look at me. I was in a call actually. So let me finish it and let's leave this place soon. It's 160 kilometers more to Siliguri. Yes. We really don't know what to do after reaching to Siliguri because we didn't make any plans up. To avoid toll, we came to a village actually, but there is no proper route, so we are going back, and one local guy has suggested us to take another route to avoid toll. So let's try, and this is the problem. They had kept a rope over here and we have an awnings on the top. So see what he is doing exactly now. This is fine actually. This rope is okay. Allah. Yes. Fine. Ado. Guys, so this is what happens if we take the shortcuts. But it is okay. Our vehicle is capable of all this kind of adventures. Oh my god. After the dirt road, this is the situation now. Here construction work is going on. Nearby that we can see a river also. This place is really nice actually. Yeah. So this is what happened, guys. If we avoid tolls, we'll get into villages and we'll see more beautiful views. And at the same time we can save some money also. Everywhere we can see kids walking in field, or else they'll be helping their parents. They'll be doing something. Now I feel like if BIHAR is improving their infrastructure, especially when it comes to road, they're getting better. Yeah, before they never used to have good roads. Now they have good roads everywhere, I feel. Water is not clean actually. Look at those kids. I can't shoot them because they didn't wear anything. Even that side also we can able to see some kids are taking bath. We are not shooting it actually because based on the YouTube guidelines we are not supposed to take.
Continue for 2 kilometers.
Yes, finally we entered to highway again. See, maybe we have covered extra 1 kilometer, that's it. This is a town in BIHAR, so you guys can able to understand how it will be. We can able to see many battery vehicles here and autos. These are the vehicles we are seeing here most, and cycle and bikes. Actually Google Map has suggested to go through this road, but this road is completely closed, so we don't know what to do. Even yesterday night also we followed Google Map and we ended up in a river where there is no bridge to connect another side. This is what happened if you trust Google Map a lot. So let's see.